Today, we've had a little Christmas treat. We've put our pennies together for Christmas. And we bought the Osmo Pocket 3, the DJI creator combo. So we thought we would open it with you.
Come and unveil this box with us.
Let's see, we haven't got a clue what's in it, what to do with all this, have we?
No.
We've got a GoPro, but we've been using our phone a lot, but it's taking up loads of storage.
Levelling up.
There's a wrapper. What's that called when you do all that noise?
ASMR.
Oh, it's already taped off.
I need to undo the tape.
So we're all going away next week, aren't we? So we're going to do some filming.
Sabs away.
You get
Keep you busy for the days, won't it?
Trying to work it out. It's going to take me forever. Do you want to open that then? See what's in there? And I'll read the instructions. So we'll find out what's in here then. So I've already bought the SIM card for it. So a Samsung Pro Plus. I think it goes up to 4G. Apparently you're meant to set it to 30 and 4G. See if it works. It comes with its own carry bag for the creator combo. Some more noise. What do you get in there? It's like a little shaver.
Jesus. Let me open it. Right, you have
Oh, it's turned on.
The Pocket 3 itself.
Actual camera. So you just flip it. English. We've not read the instructions yet. Oh,
we'll have a play when we get back.
When we get back. So that's just the camera. Then you have a spare. What's you get in there?
I think that's the battery.
That's the mic.
This is the mic.
And then you put the furry bit on top.
And everybody loves a furry bit.
Chargers. Can't get it out. Yeah, that's definitely mic, isn't it? I swear there was a little magnet thing that came with it.
Yeah, one of our friends said that it comes with a little battery pack that goes on the bottom, makes it a little bit bigger.
Ah, that's it.
Or is this it? Because that's got a little knobbly bit on.
So that's it. That's the battery pack. That gives you an extra battery. So I think that part charges normal. So this gives you more battery. It also makes it bigger or smaller for you.
There's another bit. I mean, to be honest, if you wanted to know what was actually in it, you could just look at the back of the box. Because it'll all be on there.
So that's the lens thing. That's a lens that goes on the front to do some different lenses. There was a little square magnet I saw that came with it.
But it'll all come into
no, that's not
a little bag like that. Look at that.
I think all of that fitted in that little bag. So we are going to do an honest review of it. As I said, we're not pros at...
No. We can work the GoPro, can't we?
Yeah, and that's more of an action one, isn't it? Yeah. So this one is your creator one.
Yeah, that's a lens.
Yeah, I'm sure there was it looked like a little magnet.
Is there anything in there? You open this.
Right. Oh, another box. That's the stand. That must be if you're doing your recording.
All that box for that.
What is it?
I don't know.
The carry case.
No, it's another.
Oh, look. I need my glasses on.
It's a protective cover.
No, it's that one. DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. Is that?
It'll be in. I bet you it comes off that.
That must be the clip magnet. This is going to be interesting. We're going to be filming upside down, round and round. There's a wristband with it. You got the wristband?
Oh, you know what? That's not fitting on. How'd you get that off?
Press the button. That's it. Oh.
Whoa.
Is that to keep it safe?
Behave yourself. Is it not fitting in there?
Me and you are really not going to use this.
It'll be something like that.
And then it's all meant to fit back in the bag, but this was only a quick
It's an unravelling of our new box.
DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I'm sure it says on here it's come with a wristband strap. Can you see a wrist strap?
No.
No. Okay, we're going to go find what we're missing and see what we're meant to have.
We'll have a little, we're not out.
Maybe in a week or so when we'll let you know, we'll review it.
Professional.
Thank you.